Hello, good day and welcome. Today we'll be dealing with WAEC Biology Past Question 2019, question 48. The cross between RrTt and RrTt, where R is a gene for red color and T for tallness, will result in A. All offspring being tall with red fruit, B. 25% tall with red fruit, C. 50% tall with red fruit, and D. 75% tall with red fruit. Now when you're given a question like this and you see multiple alleles, you use the Punnett square. Now in the Punnett square you have something like this: 1 2 3 4 up, and then you have similarly you have them down too. Now this is how the Punnett square will look like. So here we have RT, here we have RT, we have RT, and we have RT. Now similarly we have RT here, we have RT here, we have RT, and we have RT like this. So when these two cross, you have what? RrTt. Here you have R capital T small t, and we are combining the both of them. If you combine this with this, you have what? Capital R, then T like this. If you combine these two, you get RrTt like this. Now similarly, when you come down, you get RrTt. Here you get RrTt. Here you get R T and T. Then if you come down here, you also get RrTt like this. So you come here, you get what? R T and T. Here you get RrT and T. You come to this point, you get RrTt. You come here, you get you get RrTt like that.
Capital T, capital T.
You get RrTt like this. Then you come here, you get RrTt like this. Now similarly you come down again. For this you get RrTt. You come here, you have big R small r like this, Tt. You come here, you get RR big T and small t, and then you come here, you get small r, then Tt like this. Now the question is asking for what? Where R is a gene for red color and T is a gene for tallness. And wherever you see R and T, capital R and capital T, you know that the organism is red and tall at the same time. So now they're asking for the organisms that are tall with red fruits at the same time. So you are looking for a particular gene that contains R and T, capital R and small t. So we begin to count them. You have one here. It has capital R and small t, capital R and small t, capital R and small t, capital R and small t here. And this has capital R and capital T, sorry. Here you have capital R and capital T too. You come down, you have capital R and capital T. You also have capital R and capital T here. Now this is small r, so the rest do not have capital R and capital T. So you count how many organisms. Now we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Now this is the total of 16. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So in this particular cross diagram, 9, this also have capital R and capital T. 9 out of the rest have 9 alleles. So meaning that what? Meaning 75%, because 9 over 12 times 100 gives you 75. So 75% of these fruits have what? Tall with red fruits. So your answer is D. 75% have tall with red fruits. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.